Just because an email is archived doesn't mean that it has been deleted from your inbox. So in this video, you will learn how to find out the archived mail in your Gmail app, and also how can you move them back to your inbox, and just in case you want to delete them, how would you do that? So if you are here for these kinds of questions, then you should keep watching this video. Otherwise, you can go and check out some other video. If let's say I click on this mail, and you would see that there is a arrow down icon somewhere here in the middle on top. If I click on that, this mail has been archived. Now I have got the message at the bottom that this mail is archived. Now how would I see that? Because this mail has been moved away from my inbox. Now this email is not here. So there are two ways. One is that if you know the title of that email, search the any keyword related to that email in your search bar, and that email would appear on your screen even though that email is not there in your inbox. Now the second way is to click on these three horizontal bars, and then from this menu which appears from the left side, you need to click this all mail, and within the all mail you would find both the emails that are in your inbox as well as the emails that have been archived. The mail that are in inbox, you would see this inbox written towards the bottom right side of those mails. However, if you see this first mail, which is from the Microsoft Designer, there is no inbox written before that, which means that this email is archived. It is not there in your inbox. So here's how you can access that. So now how would you move it back to the inbox in case you want to do that? Just long press on that email, click on these three vertical dots. From the drop down menu, click on to the move to inbox. So now once you'll go back to the inbox, you'll see that this mail is now here in the inbox. And the last thing is that how can you delete your archived mails? So the option is simple. Just long press on that and click this delete icon, and that archived mail will be deleted.